Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an absolutely captivating topic that's sure to take you on a journey through time and space. We're diving into the realm of asteroid impacts, from the cataclysmic event that wiped out the dinosaurs to the potential threats they pose to our own existence. The dinosaur extinction. Our story begins about 66 million years ago when a massive asteroid, estimated to be around 10 kilometers in diameter, struck the Earth. This catastrophic impact led to the extinction of the dinosaurs and about 75% of all species on the planet. The aftermath caused widespread fires, darkness due to debris in the atmosphere, and an enormous impact winter. It's a stark reminder of the incredible power of space rocks. Impact mechanics. So, how do these asteroid impacts actually work? Well, asteroids are remnants from the early solar system that didn't quite form into planets. When one of these space rocks collides with Earth, it releases an immense amount of energy, equivalent to multiple nuclear bombs. The impact creates a crater, ejects debris into the atmosphere, and can lead to devastating consequences. But don't worry, scientists are keeping a close watch on any potential threats. Near-Earth objects. Speaking of potential threats, let's talk about near-Earth objects, or NEOs. These are asteroids or comets that have orbits bringing them dangerously close to our planet. While the odds of a catastrophic impact are low in our lifetime, it's essential to track and study these objects to develop possible mitigation strategies. NASA and other space agencies are actively working on this, and you'd be surprised to know just how much we've learned. Mitigation strategies. Okay, so what if we do find an asteroid on a collision course with Earth? Don't panic. Scientists have come up with some fascinating ideas for asteroid deflection. One concept involves sending a spacecraft to gently nudge the asteroid off course using its gravity. Another proposes a kinetic impactor, basically crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid to alter its trajectory. It's like a cosmic game of billiards, but with much higher stakes. Planetary defense. The good news is that governments and space agencies worldwide are taking planetary defense seriously. Initiatives like the Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment Mission are in the works to test these deflection techniques on a harmless asteroid. This preparation is key to ensuring that if a significant threat is detected, we'll be ready to safeguard our planet. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, the captivating tale of asteroid impacts, from the dinosaurs' unfortunate demise to the modern-day efforts to protect our home. Remember, while the cosmos might pose some threats, it's also an endless source of wonder and discovery. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure through the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.